how to take care of dry skin. Now I fully understand the aggravation that dry skin might cause. This is especially true in cooler climates where the humidity is low, which dries out your skin even more. So here's Nivea with some helpful tips on the right way to moisturize if you have dry skin.
Dry skin is often associated with skin seeming flaky and rough. When the moisture level in the air is at an all-time low, your skin feels even more itchy. Nivea's Nourishing Lotion Body Milk is tailor-made especially for this skin type. The rich and creamy formula consists of deep moisture serum that goes deep into the skin while locking in moisture for up to 48 hours. And its almond oil nourishes the skin from deep within. For best results, apply the product onto your arms and legs right after a warm shower so that the moisture gets locked in since the pores are still open after a thorough cleanse.
Hey guys, this is Dimple and today I'm super excited to review the softest, lightest and quickest absorbing moisturizer from Nivea. This Nivea Soft Cream is non-greasy and it comes in a cute little jar, so you can take it on the go. Well, this moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. It has super non-greasy formula which gets absorbed easily, leaving behind fresh and soft skin. And it is loaded with vitamin E and jojoba oil, which has great skin healing properties. The best time to apply this cream would be immediately after a shower because that's when your pores are slightly open and your skin is more receptive to moisture. Take the required amount of cream onto your palms, emulsify and apply it gently onto your arms and legs. I just love the fragrance. Make sure you show some extra love to your elbows and knees as they are especially prone to dryness. I am simply in love with the one that I got here. So deeply nourishing yet so light. Guys, do give it a try.
Hi, this is Muskan. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the Nivea Coco Nourish Body Lotion. This product works wonders on extremely dry skin. This product contains so many nutrient-loaded ingredients like cocoa butter and coconut oil. It's perfect for dry skin because it gives it the hydration without making it feel sticky. To apply, lightly squeeze a small amount onto your palms. Then spread it all over your body. This is best done after a bath. Massage it in using circular motions to ensure that the skin absorbs all the product. You can apply this every night before you sleep so your skin can stay soft and moisturized. This 400 ml bottle is good enough to last you for at least 3 to 4 months.
I use a lot of different beauty products to take care of my hair and skin. But there is a special place in my heart for products that can be used in a bunch of different ways. One of my favorite beauty staples is this little blue magic tin. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways I use the Nivea Creme in my daily routine. Hi, I'm Tanisha and let's get right into it. I love perfectly manicured nails and I cannot get through the day if my nails are not the way I want them to be. And I'm not just talking about how they look, but how they feel. So when my cuticles are bothering me, it's a big deal. Whenever I have 5 minutes of time to spare during the day, I take some creme and massage it into my cuticles. This gets that moisture in there and keeps it where it needs to be. I don't use too much because things can get a bit sticky and a little creme goes a long way, so you don't need that much. Okay, it's time for a little confession. For the longest while, I ignored my feet and I paid the price of cracked heels and calluses. Both are a result of dry and dehydrated skin. But now, here's what I do. I apply a small amount of creme on my foot and massage it in gently for a few minutes. This is super relaxing and gives the skin time to absorb the creme. I then put on a pair of my favorite fuzzy socks to help lock in the moisture overnight to let the creme work its magic. I do this every night now and this simple routine has transformed my feet from rough and dry to soft and smooth. I use Nivea Creme once a week as a face mask to rehydrate and restore my skin. After a long week, I think it is really important to pamper yourself. And this DIY face mask I'm about to show you hits the spot. I add half tablespoon of kaolin powder to 4 teaspoons of creme with little bit of water and apply the mixture on my face. The kaolin acts as a mild exfoliant and draws out all that gunk you've accumulated over the week. The lanolin and glycerin that are present in the creme moisturize the skin and make it soft and supple. I keep this on for about 10 minutes and wash it off. And I'm always amazed at how great my skin feels after. I wear makeup everywhere, but taking it off is always a pain. So these long, elaborate makeup removal routines are not an option for me. I love having one product that works as my moisturizer as well as my makeup remover. If you do too, then here's a super cool trick. Just take a little creme on a cotton pad and swipe it over your eyes, cheeks and lips. The water in oil emulsion helps get that makeup off and is also really gentle on the skin. I have sensitive skin and I only prefer using products that are super gentle. Using Nivea Creme as a night cream was totally new territory for me, but ever since I've started using it, it's worked wonders. It locks in the moisture and repairs my skin overnight, making it very soft and smooth, and I don't wake up with dry and dehydrated skin anymore. I also apply a thin layer of Nivea Creme on my under eye skin every night, and its moisturizing properties have reduced my under eye darkness as well as made my eyes less puffy. So these are some hacks that have become an essential part of my beauty regime. I have been using Nivea Creme for years just as a moisturizer until I realized that it can be used in many other ways.
Hi guys, this is Anugha. Today I'll be reviewing Nivea's Milk Delights with Honey Face Wash. This nourishing and gentle cleanser is definitely a luxurious treat for your skin. Apart from being a great cleanser, this face wash is hydration at its best. The powerful combination of milk and honey provides your skin with gentle yet deep cleansing. It's the perfect face wash for dry skin as the nourishment provided by honey helps maintain your skin's natural pH level, and the milk proteins gives your skin a natural glow and plumpness. For proper cleansing, start by shaking the bottle to mix the contents. Take the product onto your palm and apply onto wet face and neck. Make sure to be gentle, lightly massaging your skin and avoiding the eye area. Once it lathers well, rinse off thoroughly and pat dry. Your skin will feel so much more hydrated all through the day. Use it every day for best results. Experience deep pore cleansing as your skin absorbs all the benefits. This bottle should last you for a month depending on your usage. It comes in 2 sizes, that is 50 ml and 100 ml. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hi guys, this is Anugha. Today I'll be showing you Nivea's roll-on deodorant that's alcohol-free and without any irritants. It'll make sure that your underarms are soft and smooth all day. Underarm hygiene and odor is something that I'm constantly worried about. That's why Nivea's roll-on deodorant is the perfect find for me. It contains pearl extracts, which means that your skin will be soft and supple throughout the day. Not just that, your skin will be fragrant and you'll feel fresh all throughout. This alcohol-free deodorant is super handy and easy to use. Its small size makes it the perfect addition to your bag. Ideally, start on clean underarms just after a bath. Take the cap off the roll-on. Now swipe it under your arms at least 4 to 6 times to give full coverage. Allow the area to dry completely and you're ready to go. Once a day application is good for the product to work its magic. Remember, do not use this if you have damaged skin, any rashes or infections. This bottle should last you for about 3 months if you use it once a day. Use Nivea's deodorant roll-on and feel the freshness all day long. Try it out for yourself.